Pictory and Synthesia both generate AI videos. Today we're going to figure out which one is actually better. Let us have a look at Pictory now. So Pictory specializes in transforming blog posts into engaging videos. This feature makes it easy to repurpose your existing content and reach a wider audience. Pictory automatically selects relevant visuals from its library of stock images and videos to match your script. This can really save you time and effort in finding the right visuals for your video. It does it all for you. Pictory also automatically generates subtitles for your videos, improving accessibility and engagement. It also ensures that your videos can be understood by a wider audience, including those who are deaf or even hard of hearing. Pictory can automatically summarize long videos into shorter, more digestible clips. This is useful for creating previews or highlights of your videos. Pictory also allows you to customize your videos with your brand colors, fonts, and logos, and it can really help you maintain brand consistency and create a cohesive visual identity. Pictory optimizes your videos for different social media platforms, ensuring that they look their best on each platform. This can maximize the impact of your videos. One or two of the drawbacks here is that Pictory does not offer as much assistance with script writing as some of the competitors. If you need help with script creation, you may need a separate tool. Also, Pictory is primarily designed for repurposing existing content, which also may not be ideal for creating original videos. If you need to create original content, again, you might need to have a separate tool for that. So if you are looking for a tool that has many dynamic levels for AI video creation, then Synthesia might be a good option for you. You can transform your business communications with cutting-edge AI video technology that is designed for enterprise-scale production and global deployment. It's trusted by industry leaders, so there are companies worldwide, more than 50,000 global enterprises that trust Synthesia. They have a market-leading adoption rate of 60%, and they have 3 compliance standards. Their enterprise-grade security meets collaborative innovation. They offer real-time team video creation and management capabilities that ensure your organization stays ahead in the digital communication landscape. You can see over here, they have very expressive AI avatars and multilingual support. So, first of all, their diverse avatars, more than 200 dynamic expressions and body languages that adapt contextually to your script content. More than 120 languages, so they have global reach with a comprehensive multilingual support for international markets, and premium AI voices. So research-grade voice synthesis delivers natural, engaging audio experiences. They have world-class researchers that have crafted AI voices that deliver natural, engaging experiences across all your supported languages, as well as cultural contexts, and that's important. So if you are looking for a video generator, go ahead and try a couple of these options. It is always best to see what really works for you in real time. If you like this video, drop us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.